today we're going to have a go at folding a flapping bird. To start with, we need to make a square. So we carefully and neatly, making sure that this corner is folded right through the centre of the corner. We're going to fold it away, fold it nice and flat, sharp folds. Now we need to take this piece of paper off to make a square. So with our scissors, we can cut along. Do it nice and carefully. Make it as perfect as possible. So now we have a square with which we can make our bird. We've already got one fold diagonally across this way, so we're going to open it up and I'm going to fold the other way diagonally. So match your corners up and draw your fingers back, holding it nice and still while we take them out. So make it a nice sharp crease like that. If we open it up, we can see the cross. If we turn it over, we want to fold it the other way now. So again, we match up our corners. And the corners are matched. We rub away from the edges and make it a nice sharp fold. Open it up, and we want to do it this way. Match the corners, hold it still while we get a nice sharp fold. Now when we open it up, we can easily fold it like so. And this is the first step of creating our bird. Take the corners in and flatten it down so we've got a nice diamond shape. Now what we want to do is to create the wings. We need to take the corner, so this is the end that opens, and we're going to fold very carefully so this lines up along the centre. Do one side, then the same on the other side, making sure we fold it so it goes nice and neat down to the tip. Then we just want to fold this over, put a little pressure on it, open it up again, and when we open this we want to fold what will be the wing back up here. So that's one. Right, that becomes one of our wings. So we're going to turn it over and do the same on the other side. So with the opening end, we bring one side up, making sure it goes nice and neatly down the centre. And And we bring the other side in. Nice and neatly down the centre. Fold the top over. A little bit of pressure. And when we open it up, we can make our second wing. So with paper folding, sometimes takes a little bit of time just to get it looking nice and neat. So now we have what will be our two wings, and these two long pieces on the bottom are going to be the tail and the head. So first of all, we're going to open it up, pull them up, so it goes like this. So we put one at about that angle. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So we open it, fold it up, get it to about the same angle. So now we've got this. So we're getting a lot closer to having our completed bird. All we really need now is a head. So what we're going to do is open one of them up and just fold it in on itself to create a head. Now, when we look at it, we've got a nice bird shape. With the wings folded up, we just want to put a slight fold on the wings, like so, not too much. And then, if we open them up, we hold on under here at the front, hold on to the tail at the back, and if we can get it to work, we should better get our bird to flap its wings. There we go. So that's your bird with flapping wings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more videos on things you can make and create, hit the subscribe button and check out our channel.